Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to look at one of your favorite online doctors. That's right, we're going to talk about the suave, debonair, and sophisticated Dr. Mike.
I want to introduce you to my new favourite doctor. People magazine named him Sexiest Doctor Alive. He's from New York, it's Dr. Mike!
Medicine doesn't have to be sad. We can have a good time.
If only you were good looking enough to be on TV, though. God.
I know.
I'll show you some pics and video clips of Dr. Mike while we discuss why he is so dang popular. And while you watch, please comment below. What do you like about him?
What we did was we did a study in my hospital called Exercise with Your Physician, where we tried to see if it would motivate patients to start an exercise regimen with their doctors. And what we actually found was they become more motivated, they start exercising more on their own, even after the study has concluded. That's really exciting.
With almost 4 million Instagram followers, what makes Dr. Mike so special? Again, leave your opinions and discussions below. Is it his style and fashion sense? Is it his infectious smile? Enthusiasm and humor? How about Dr. Mike's love for animals? Personally, I like his dogs Roxy and Bear. Is it his eyes? What color are they anyway? Is that blue or green? Or Instagram filter? Here he is in Scrubs. Maybe that's your thing. Or maybe it's his cool voice and demeanor.
Hey, I'm Dr. Mike, and today we're looking at the truths about wellness trends. Today's topic is going to be celery juice. What is it? Where did it come from? And what exactly does it do?
Well, folks, I want to hear from you. Why do you like Dr. Mike? He's one of America's most popular doctors. Before we continue, also check out his Facebook fan page. It has new content 5 times a day, and I'll put a link below. Dr. Mike is in New York, and here's a quick message from him from the front lines.
Hey guys, I'm back in the hospital, and I have to say, we need more resources on the front lines as family physicians. N95 masks, personal protective equipment, especially testing kits. Federal government, White House, I'm looking at you.
Also, please check out Thynergy. I use it, and I bet you would love this as an appetite suppressant. Also, please check out Thynergy. I use it and it helps me get motivated for exercise and keeps my appetite down.
Hey, my name's Leanne. I'm checking in with Thynergy. I've been on it for 4 months now, and I am continuously still losing weight. I have a lot more energy. My dog's super happy because he gets to go on a lot more walks, and we actually did a 8-mile hike last weekend, which was a lot of fun.
Looking for a great way to cut weight and look great? Well, it's time to check out Thynergy. Available exclusively from Amazon, Thynergy is America's top weight loss supplement. This elite fat-burning formula turns your body into a calorie-burning furnace.
Thynergy. You guys are helping people lose weight.
This is a shout out to the team at Thynergy.
Thynergy.
To all the crew at Thynergy, I wanted to just tell you guys to keep losing all the weight. You're doing amazing, and congrats on hitting your goals.
I highly recommend Thynergy. I think you should give it a shot.